Hey, how you doing? How you living? Well, I hope something happened to you today that makes you smile, okay? Today is an unboxing. I got a new purse. I was looking for the bag, but you've seen the bag a million times. And so I'm going to go ahead on and show you my new Brahmin. Hey. There it is. Love it. It is the Adina. 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 It is the Adina. And the Adina is a zip top tote by Brahmin with standout details. A center pleat and exposed side zippers. There's that center pleat and the exposed side zippers on either side. And it's special finishes sure to steal the show. The spacious interior is equipped with multiple pockets and functional features to keep you organized on the go, whatever you may be toting around. Okay? So let's see. This is what it looks like. Let's see. It out of the review says it has a 5 out of 5 stars on here on the Brahmin under the bag itself. It is genuine leather. What else? Super duper nice. So this is what it looks like. Has a flat bottom with the gold feet. The color is pecan. I did undo that zipper right there, but since it's the furthest away from the camera, I will undo this one, and you can get in. It is a pocket. They do not connect. They are 2 pockets on the front, and they zip up and they zip down. Okay, I absolutely love this color. This is not the first one color that I have, and this is baby number 11. Baby number 11. It does have the it does have the 2 thin straps with the belt loop straps. That's what we call those. It is adjustable, but I don't take those apart because I think that it enlarges the hole that's already there, so I don't take them apart. But it is adjustable. On the outside, it does have a side slit there for you, and it's pretty deep. It goes all the way down to the bottom of the bag. A lot of them do that. I can stick my whole hand in here, and that is absolutely great. It has that. This is so professional and so nice. I really do love it. This is what it looks like zipped up. It's kind of big, and I'm trying to keep it all in the frame. This is what it looks like zipped up. That is so nice. I love the contour, how it's smaller on the top than it is on the bottom. It is classified as a shoulder bag. I'm not putting this all up on my shoulder. You can believe that. I do love this pleat right here. Very nice. You can't get your hand in it. It's just a pleat. So let's look at the inside. Of course, it does have the gold, classic gold detail, and it does have the Brahmin symbol on all of the zippers and the hang tag there. Okay, so this is the inside. It does have the Brahmin lining, and it is suede. It does have a little change pocket right there, and it does have the leather strip on it. So let's go ahead on and take the paper out of the bag. It does have the key holder here for you not to lose your keys. And so this is what it looks like. It does have the matching leather strips in the top, and you can get in the side there, and it is as deep as the purse, and it does have the tab. It also has the gold emblem there that says Brahmin. And so on the other side, which would be this side now, it does have two deep slits, and I call those cell phone slits. You can do that. Very, very, very nice. Very, very nice. I love, 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 love this bag. It sits on its own feet, so it doesn't topple or toddle over. That zip goes all the way down. The color is the classic color. I do love it, love it, love it. It is, the picture that they show online says that you can put this on your shoulder. I probably don't. I like to carry mine on my hand, but I guess if it got heavy, you would want to do it on the shoulders. It does have that double strap there. This, I saw it today when I was in the store, and it is the regular price, and you can look at that price on the Brahmin site. That way I can keep myself free of judgment. You pay what you want to pay, and I'll pay what I want to pay. But I absolutely love this bag. The pecan color, you can carry this with, you can wear this with denim. You can wear this professionally. You can wear it with khaki, orange. It definitely looks good in the fall, looks good in the winter. Definitely looks good in the summertime. It's large enough to hold all of your items. All of your items. It's even large enough to hold your tablet. I have my tablet here, and the tablet I just stuck into the side here. And look at that. Deep enough for you to do that. I'm sitting here in my beauty desk. This is some face brushes. You could put that in here and it get lost. This, you can literally carry anything. This is the registration card. It gives you her name, her case number, the UPC number. You should definitely register all of your luxury bags. Do not fail to register your luxury bags, okay? This is Adina. This is Adina, and I am very, very happy to introduce her to you. She is going to sit with her sisters, her brothers, her cousins, and with the others. I love Brahmin. I love Brahmin. Absolutely love Brahmin. That's a side view. You get a good, probably four inches here in width on the bottom, and it does give me that on there. Did I take I'll be looking for this in a minute. This is absolutely gorgeous. I hope you like it. Go out and purchase this. I do keep the stuffing in there. I do take very, very good care. You can get this also in Nordstrom's. You can get it at Macy's. You can get it at Dillard's, and you can get it at Belk, and you can get it at Brahmin.com. Okay, you can get it at all of those stores. It is a current item. It is a current item. It is still in the store today if you would like to purchase it. Okay, so this is Adina. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel. This is absolutely gorgeous. I am going to love carrying her. I am going to love carrying her. She is gorgeous, y'all. I don't want to let her go. She is gorgeous. The detail to this bag is amazing. This is genuine leather. You would think that this was genuine crocodile or something, because this is nice. Absolutely nice. Go bless yourself. This is not my Christmas present. No, ma'am. No, sir. This is not my Christmas present, but I probably will carry it on Christmas. Thanks for stopping by my channel. Remember what I always tell you. You only get one journey, so journey well. Take care of yourself. Bless yourself. Go ahead on and do it. You are worth every dime. Journey well.